Alright guys, welcome back to another G Auto Repair video. And I'm back with this 2012 Chevrolet Equinox that pulled this head off. I'm gonna send the heads to the machine shop. Already got one off. And as you can see, the destruction is a lot. But just want to show you guys how to do how to lock up the tensioners for the timing chain, which is a little fella like this, and they're hydraulic. And it took me a minute. I was like, how does this work? But I figured it out, and I just wanted to do a quick video about it. Let me pass the camera over to my son. He's gonna be the cameraman for tonight. And as you can see, this is the tensioner with the two bolts. And in order to reinstall this, you have to lock it and all the way retracted, install it, set everything up, and then pull the pin so it can extend and put tension on the chain. So the question is, how do you do that? Well, you have to remove the piston here, and if you can see, there's gonna be little notches, little catches there, steps. Okay, and all the way here you have the final one. See, so you got several little catches here, and then the very last one, that's where you want to take it to. So in order to do that, I just grab it like so, and gently with a pair of pliers, you're gonna grab it right here on this flat spot, and you're just gonna push it in and twist as you do that till you get it all the way to the last one, and then it's just gonna lock in there. I hope you guys can see that on the video. See, now it's locked. Alright, but it doesn't end there. Once you have it in this position, you're gonna reinsert it. You see these two flat spots here? Right here. And you're gonna have a little tiny hole here, big enough for literally just a paper clip. Is a very small hole here. So we're gonna push it in there. Okay, and you're gonna have to kind of line it up a little bit, get your paper clip ready in the hole. Okay, and then you're gonna push in further on the piston, and then just get your paper clip in there. It may take you a few tries to get it in there. And there you have it. Okay, you just gotta kind of rotate it a little bit back and forth until the paper clip goes in there. You can barely see the paper clip in there. Okay, so once this is installed, all you have to do, and you got everything set up, again, this is not a video on how to set up the timing on there, it's just to help you guys know how to lock this tensioner. The whole idea is that when you're ready to give tension to the chain, you just pull it, boom, and it gives it tension, just like that. Once you pull the pin, it'll shoot out and give tension to the chain to pick up that slack you got there. Alright, so I hope this video helps. Again, pull this out, twist and compress at the same time until you get it to the last catch there. Insert it, push it in, and stick your pin in there. And once the pin goes in there, which is just a regular paper clip, nothing fancy, just a paper clip, you'll be ready to install the tensioner. I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe, and catch you guys on the next video. Bye.